Hello, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics. Today topic is parallelogram law of vector from the vectors. Please do like and subscribe our channel Nature of Physics. Clearly step by step I will explain, student. Please watch full video, you will get clarity. See, two vectors represent here A bar and B bar as the adjacent sides of the parallelogram, and their resultant is C bar. C bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So two vectors are represented in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of the parallelogram drawn from a point O. Then their resultant represent both magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram passing through the same point O. See student, in the parallelogram law of vector we will find the both values magnitude and direction of the parallelogram resultant of A bar and B bar vector. Okay, so both the vectors making an angle theta. Theta is the angle between A bar and B bar vector, student. And continuation, here in the parallelogram law of vector opposite sides are equal, that we can write here OP which is equal to A bar, that is equal to QR, and also OQ is equal to B bar, that is equal to PR, student. Like this we can represent opposite sides are equal. Then OR represent the resultant C bar which is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, and for the resultant we need right angle triangle. That's why extending the OP vector, that is A bar, student, that coincide at a point N. N represent the normal. See there. And here also theta value is same, similar triangles. For this Pn value and Nr value, I am considering there is a triangle PNR. From this sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So opposite is Nr divided by hypotenuse is PR, student. From this equation we can write sin theta which is equal to Nr divided by PR value is B bar vector. Cross multiplication, after this we will get Nr which is equal to B sin theta, student. Now I can write this is B sin theta, Nr value. And also next one we can replace here cos theta using and replacing Pn value. So cos theta adjacent side Pn divided by hypotenuse is PR. So that cos theta which is equal to Pn divided by B, again cross multiplication. So Pn value also we got which is equal to B cos theta. Here I can replace that B cos theta. Okay, now we know all the values by the derivation, and next magnitude of the resultant vector and direction of the resultant vector I am going to find. First magnitude finding, student. For magnitude, considering a right angle triangle, that is ONR, student, clearly written. Diagonal square is equal to side square plus side square is a right angle triangle. So that diagonal is representing here OR whole square which is equal to ON whole square plus NR whole square. Okay, student, and OR square which is equal to ON value replacing, that is OP plus PN whole square plus NR square. Here since I can write here that is ON which is equal to OP plus PN, student. Okay, and OR square, which is equal to OP square plus 2OP into Pn plus Pn square plus Nr square. Replacing the values step by step, OR represent the C bar whole square. Next, OP represent A bar whole square. Next, 2 OP represent A and Pn represent B cos theta plus this value Pn value is B cos theta, but Pn square is there, that's why B square cos square theta plus Np value writing here, so that is Nr value. Nr value is B sin theta whole square is, that's why B square sin square theta. Next step here, C bar which is equal to C bar square is equal to A bar square plus 2AB cos theta plus B square common sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1 student. So that C bar whole square which is equal to A bar square plus B bar square, the sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus 2AB cos theta. Since I can write here sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1. Okay student, and C is equal to root over A bar square plus B bar square plus 2AB cos theta. This is equation number 1, represent the magnitude of resultant vector. The triangle is same ONR triangle student. Okay na? So in this tan alpha writing student, so that alpha is the angle made by a resultant with A bar vector. So resultant is considering here C bar vector student. Okay, so that tan alpha which is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side student. The value is replacing now here tan alpha which is equal to opposite is NR and adjacent side is ON student, and value replacing ON which is equal to OP plus PN. Okay, and replacing that tan alpha which is equal to, that is B sin theta. NR value is B sin theta divided by OP plus PN student. And next step is tan alpha which is equal to B sin theta divided by OP value is A bar plus PN value is B cos theta student. And finally also we can write there alpha which is equal to tan inverse of B sin theta divided by A bar plus B cos theta. This is equation number 2, represent the direction of parallelogram law of vector. Please like and subscribe and comment.